It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I saw you with a smile so tender, my heart is captured, my soul surrendered. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Know that you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. Just like a willow, we would cry an ocean if we lost you, love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me. Let your arms invite me. For who knows when we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait.
Prisca, it's now or never. Iania no andro skelety lotsika le iaina niania.
Kay. Ay. Tena mbola 4e prime tsika zao a. 3e prime. Tatara be ty concours ray ty Tena wow. Mahafinaritra be na ny prestation scénique anao, na ny présence anao eo ambony scène, ny présence vocale anao a. Ohatrany hoe efa professionnel zany. Za aloha tena j'ai rien raté. Tena nijereko daholo mihitsy, mahafinaritra be, nitombo be taty le izy. Satra.
Bravo Prisca. Tena efa tena hoe ohatrany hoe stadina tena mizara sy manatosaka mihitsy ianao, ary matanjaka tsara le zavatra zarainao. Tsy afaka za zany mijery anao tsy afaka ho insensible amin'le zavatra hoentinao mihitsy hoe atolotra fa tena tsy maintsy taraiky manaraka eo, makary de andray. Bravo.
Merci.
Lena ny impression ohatrany hoe efa final tsika. Ohatrany hoe efa tokony avo lenta be le izy. Tena mahafinaritra be zavatra ataonao, feno tsara mihitsy ny scène, ny feonao tsisy mibolila, tena mety tsara. Za koa tena félicitation be, bravo be, tsara be.